Seoul, the heart of South Korea. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. Today, we will talk about Seoul, the capital city of South Korea. Seoul is a city that blends history and modernity. It is known for its palaces, temples, shopping districts, and lively culture. In this podcast, we will explore Seoul's history, culture, and the top 10 places to visit. Let's begin. History of Seoul. Seoul has a long and fascinating history. It has been the capital of South Korea for over 600 years. The city was first established as the capital of the Joseon dynasty in 1394. Over the centuries, Seoul became an important center of politics, culture, and trade. In the 20th century, Seoul went through a period of rapid development. After the Korean War, Seoul grew into a modern and bustling city. Today, it is one of the most advanced cities in the world and a global hub for technology, business, and entertainment. Culture of Seoul. Seoul is a city where tradition meets modern life. It is famous for its cultural festivals, such as the Seoul Lantern Festival and the Seoul Kimchi Making Festival. The city is also known for its K-pop music, Korean dramas, and delicious food. In Seoul, you can experience both ancient traditions and modern innovations. From visiting old palaces and temples to enjoying the latest technology in shopping malls, Seoul offers a unique cultural experience. The people of Seoul are proud of their heritage and traditions. You will find traditional markets, ancient palaces, and beautiful parks, but you will also see modern skyscrapers, high-tech shopping centers, and busy nightlife. Top 10 places to visit in Seoul. Now let's explore the top 10 places to visit in Seoul. Number 1. Gyeongbokgung Palace. Gyeongbokgung Palace is one of the most famous landmarks in Seoul. It was built in 1395 and was the main royal palace of the Joseon dynasty. Today, visitors can explore the beautiful palace grounds, watch the changing of the guard ceremony, and visit the National Palace Museum. Number 2. Seoul Tower. Seoul Tower, also known as Namsan Seoul Tower, was completed in 1969. It stands on Namsan Mountain and offers panoramic views of the city. You can take a cable car or hike to the top and enjoy the views, especially at night when the city is lit up. Number 3. Bukchon Hanok Village. Bukchon Hanok Village is a traditional Korean village located in the heart of Seoul. It is home to many well-preserved Hanok houses, which are traditional Korean homes made of wood and clay. The village dates back to the 1390s and offers a glimpse into Seoul's past. Number 4. Myeongdong. Myeongdong is one of the most popular shopping districts in Seoul. It began developing in the 1940s and is now famous for its fashion, cosmetics, and food. Visitors can shop for the latest trends, try street food, and explore the many cafes and restaurants. Number 5. Gyeongbokgung Palace. Gyeongbokgung Palace is another beautiful royal palace in Seoul. It was built in 1405 and is known for its beautiful gardens. The palace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is a must-see for anyone interested in Korean history and architecture. Number 6. Insadong. Insadong is a historic district in Seoul, known for its traditional tea houses, antique shops, and art galleries. It has been a cultural center since the 1600s and is the perfect place to experience Korean culture and buy traditional souvenirs. Number 7. Lotte World. Lotte World is one of the largest indoor theme parks in the world. It was opened in 1989 and has a wide variety of rides, shows, and entertainment for all ages. It also has an ice skating rink and a shopping mall, making it a popular spot for families. Number 8. Dongdaemun Design Plaza. The Dongdaemun Design Plaza, opened in 2014, is a modern architectural landmark in Seoul. It is a center for design and innovation with exhibitions, fashion shows, and art installations. The building's futuristic design is a great example of Seoul's modern style. Number 9. Hongdae. Hongdae is a vibrant neighborhood known for its youthful energy, street art, and indie music scene. It developed in the 1990s and is now one of the best places to experience Seoul's nightlife, with many clubs, bars, and live music venues. Number 10. Cheonggyecheon Stream. Cheonggyecheon Stream is a beautiful waterway that runs through the center of Seoul. It was restored in 2005 and provides a peaceful escape from the busy city. Visitors can walk along the stream, enjoy the art installations, and relax in the natural surroundings. Interesting facts about Seoul. Seoul is one of the most technologically advanced cities in the world, with high-speed internet and smart technology used throughout the city. The city has more than 10 million people, making it one of the largest cities in the world. Seoul is famous for its public transportation system, which includes buses, subways, and trains. Seoul is the birthplace of K-pop, and many popular K-pop groups and artists come from this city. Conclusion. Seoul is a city of contrasts. It is a place where you can experience both the old and the new. From the ancient palaces and temples to the modern skyscrapers and shopping districts, Seoul offers a unique blend of history, culture, and innovation. Whether you are interested in traditional Korean culture, shopping, or entertainment, Seoul has something for everyone. Thank you for listening to our podcast. I hope you learned more about Seoul. Don't forget to share our podcast with your friends. See you next time.